Annyeonghaseyo, scientists. Today I am using models to research how sound waves move. So today I have one model. It's a GIF, a digital model, showing how sound waves move through the ear canal and send messages to the brain. And here is a model of an ear. There's the ear canal. You can see in a different way. When the sound waves go in there, they send messages to the eardrum, makes that vibrate, and then send messages to the brain. And here is another model showing how, look how close the ear and the brain, how they're connected there. Here is another sound wave model that I've made. I want to show you. I got this idea from another scientist. Now listen, this is going to show us how sound moves. So this red sphere is not a red sphere in our model. It's going to represent sound. And the marbles, the small spheres, they are going to equal air particles, parts of air. And so I'm going to take this off, put that right there for now. And let's see what happens when sound hits parts of air. Let's do some research and see what happens when sound hits parts of air particles. Ready? I'm going to send a sound like a tiger roaring. See what happens. Roar. Do you see how that happened? Do you see what happened? The sound, when it hit the parts of air, it made them hit each other. And that's exactly what happens. When a sound energy hits parts of air, it makes each particle of air hit another particle, and then that hits another particle, and that hits another particle, and that makes a wave. And then that wave goes inside of your ear and makes your eardrum vibrate. And then that will send a message to your brain. Happy researching sound waves.